Hi guys, Kim here from Kim on a Whim, and I just wanted to pop on here real quick because today is 1 year ago since I made public my first YouTube video. And I choose those words when I say make public because I probably had that video sitting on my channel for 3 months before I finally got the courage to make it public. I think I had recorded about 6 months before that, and finally got the courage to start editing it and putting music to it, and then thumbnail and all of the stuff that goes with making the YouTube video. And I think I've gotten a little better since the first one. You guys can let me know. Any kind of criticism, constructive criticism, is always helpful, and even not so great criticism, that's even helpful too. It kind of lets you know where you need to work on. But I just want to say thank you. As of today, I have 117 subscribers, which I never thought. I didn't think I would get a handful of subscribers when I put that first video up, and I still remember who my first subscriber is, and I've told her before that she holds a special place in my heart because I appreciated that, knowing that somebody took an interest in the video that I had made, and that was sweet. That you know that she subscribed to my channel, not knowing who I am or anything pretty much about me at that point. But I appreciate each and every one of you, and I thank you. And here's to my next 100. Hopefully it won't be a year for my next 100, but that's something I have to work on. I'm working on being more consistent, so that is my promise to you, that I am going to be more consistent with my videos. I let a lot of self-doubt get in there, and I tend to maybe delete stuff that I recorded, or I forget the record button. I mean, let's face it, I've quite a few times went to move my camera and I'm like, oh, crap, I didn't record any of that. What do I do now? Start over? Or, it's already in the oven, or it's already clean, so I just let it go. But thank you. I appreciate each and every one of you. And here's to the next year. Bye, guys.